Ciao a tutti. This presentation is about nouns. We will first look at how they work in English, and then we will look at how nouns work in Italian. So, what is a noun? Nouns could be someone or something. People, places, animals, things, these are all nouns. But nouns can also be more abstract things like an event, an idea, or a concept. In English, all nouns are either singular or plural. That's what we call the number of a noun. Number is the grammatical term used to indicate if a noun is singular or plural. When a noun refers to one person or things, it's singular. When it refers to more than one, it's plural. In most cases, we indicate the plural by adding an S. For example, as you know, the plural of book, boy, and girl is formed by adding the S. Books, boys, and girls. In Italian, nouns have a number, of course, so they could be singular or plural, but they also have a gender. Well, what is the meaning of gender? The gender of a noun is a grammatical term that refers to a word as being either masculine or feminine. In Italian, nouns are all either masculine or feminine. Even if we talk about a chair, for instance, which in Italian is sedia, that's a feminine word. So that's a little strange if you're not familiar with the concept. The word for noun in Italian is sostantivi. As we said, everything, including things or places, are either masculine or feminine. The ending of each word will help us identify its gender. For instance, o, like Mario, will tell us that the word is masculine. So if you look at the example, museo, numero, gelato, all these words are masculine because the ending is o. The ending a, like in the word Maria, tells us that the word is feminine. Like the example here, penna, casa, and farmacia. Now, of course, besides being either masculine or feminine, there's also plural. So the plural of o, the masculine ending, is always I, and the plural of a is Italian e. Let's look at these examples. Museo, as we said before, is a masculine singular word. Its plural is formed by replacing the ending o with the Italian vowel I. So museo becomes musei in the plural. Numero becomes numeri, numbers in the plural. Gelato would be one, but the ending I tells us that there's more than one. The feminine, instead, changes to e, so penna becomes penne. So one pen would be una penna, more than one pen would be penne, and so on and so forth. So, once again, remember that all words in Italian have to be either masculine or feminine, besides, of course, being singular or plural. The ending for the masculine is o, plural I, feminine a, plural e. Let's look at some example and make sure that we understand. Here's the chart. We're going to place each one of these words, regardless of the fact that you may not even know what it means. You should, by now, be able to identify the word as being either masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. So panino, for instance, ending o, and as we said, like Mario, it's masculine, it's one, so it will go in that chart, in that spot of the chart. Piazze, the ending e, tells us that it's feminine plural. Amico, once again, is masculine singular. Banca, the ending a, help us identify the word as being feminine singular. Bicicletta, same thing. Now the ending of gatti is e, and if you remember, the ending e tells us that it's masculine plural. Pizze, the ending tells us that it's feminine plural. Scuola, again like Maria, it's feminine singular. Strade, feminine plural. Vini, the ending e, tells us that it's masculine plural. And aereo, masculine singular.